How to get $100 Snapfish coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Snapfish coupon codes and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Snapfish. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. Once you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers in this page. Just scroll and check 60% off, 75% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, copy it. Then click on Redeem at Snapfish. You will be directed to the official website of Snapfish. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, because in this page, you're gonna find tons of amazing offers and deals for Snapfish. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Snapfish. This way, you can easily get up to $100 working coupon code for Snapfish. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.